Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see how to use MySQL Command Line client. To open that, go to your Start menu and search MySQL. You will get MySQL Command Line. So open that. It will ask for the password. If you watched the installation video, our password was 1234. So, here you can see our password is successfully accepted. Now write show databases. These are the total number of databases that is present in our MySQL. So in previous video, we made a school database, in which we inserted some data. Let's use this. Write use school, and hit enter. You can see our database is changed. Let's see how many tables are present in this database. Write show tables. You can see, one table is present in our school database. To see the present data, you have to write. Select, start from students. Oops, it not working because we have to add asterisks after that. Now these two data we have in our school database. Suppose you want to extract this first column from your data. Just write, select, column name, from, then your table name which is students. And add semicolon. Then enter. You can see the data is extracted. Suppose you want to extract first name and last name columns. Just write, select first name, last name, from, table name. You can see it also worked. In next video we will see more things. Please subscribe to the channel.